Hey guys, Ping. Today let's model this. Okay, so let's start. Um, so we're going to create a project first. So we're going to try different methods for this one. So first, am going to try stairs. So stairs. So so in floor plan. So let's quickly stair. So I'm going to use the path phase. Okay, so I'll just roughly, I'm not sure how many we need, or just roughly model this. Okay, so this will be uh, part of this. Okay, so on the left hand side. And then I'm going to mirror it. Okay, so mirror this stairs. So we have, so if I go to 3D view, you will see we have exactly the same. So just mirror it. Okay, so now we select this one. So if you click on the top and select this one, you will be able to drag this one back. So you can move this up. So now this is what uh, we will get. So if I finish this for now, so we will get a stage two uh, what do we call this, fly. And it seems we need to, so because in this uh, looks like that's only one thread there. So we probably need to lower this one. So that's okay. So edit the stairs. So we can just, I think we can just uncheck this one. Yep. So that's it. So, and now what we need to do is we need to select it, convert, so convert to a stairs by sketch. So now you'll see this one. Let's click on edit sketch and then uh, we can edit the profile of stairs. So now what we're going to do is first we need to get the size, the the shape of this one, so a circle. So I'm going to use the boundary. Okay, so use boundary. Draw start and radius. So from this point to this point, half circle. So and then I'm going to just mirror it, mirror, and then okay. So now we need to change some of these lines. So first, this part going to be black color line, which is a riser. Okay, so drag this back to this point. So this part will be boundary line, which is green. So drag this one to here, and then we just need to remove this line. So we need to create a riser, start a arc, and then we can delete this one. So the okay, so the rest is fine. So we just need to delete this. And so it will stop here as trim. Okay, trim, and we can use this one. Okay, so trim extends multiple elements. Pick this edge, and then we just need to click on all these lines. So you have each and every one. Okay, so um, I know in AutoCAD you can it draw a line and it automatically then all these lines, but in Revit, you have to do it one by one. Okay, so that's it. So you see this is black color and then boundary, all black. Okay, so finish. And then let's have a look in 3D view. And then this is it. Okay, so, and then we just need to do edit sketch on this one. Same. I'm going to just draw start from here and it won't snap. That's fine. So let's just do it from here to here. Okay, so and mirror. Oh, let's drag it back to here. Oops, sorry. Drag it back to here and trim this. So now maybe uh, just mirror this one to the other side and delete this to E, and draw a rise line from here to here and here, and delete this one and extend these lines. Okay, so finish and then finish. So let's see, let's have a look. And this is it. So very quite simple. And um, yeah, that's it. And then, so this is floor, okay? And then this is columns, no problems. And the roof. So this roof can be just let's just go to side plan. So just create a roof by footprint, and I'll just pick the style, or just draw, maybe just draw a circle here. So when you draw a circle, just use SC to pick the center point, so it's easier to find the center point. And then just remove, uncheck the define slope. So instead, just, or actually, so use slope arrow, and then you have the option to change this to slope. Okay, so I'm not sure what the slope is. Just use 30 degrees for now and finish. Go to 3D view. It's maybe go to south elevations. So from here, maybe we can just try to figure out the slope. We need to draw a line, or actually we don't need to. We have this edge DI and angular. So 31.85, 31.85. Just select this roof, type in 31.85. So this roof will match this, and then you can move it down or just change the level. So from ground floor and with, for example, 24 feet in height, something like that. 24, let's just measure this, 24. And remember, 24 is from this point to here. So you probably want to check the, this. This is more important. Okay? Yeah, this one. So this is it. So this is the first method, use stairs. The second method I'm going to show you is just to use model in place, use extrusion. Okay. So now, because we have all these levels, the good thing about stairs is um, you don't need to worry about um, the, the height. So once set here, so look in time with with these rules. Okay, so the maximum or minimum, all these setting. Um, if you want to do model in place, you need to firstly need to know exactly what the these depths of the tread is, what the riser, what the height of the riser is, because we already have this one, so do we can just use this one. Okay, so I'm going to just pick line. So let's create this. I'm going to maybe use floor or even stairs. Yeah, should we say floor? At least we can join. So floor and extrusion. So we're going to actually we're going to because we're going to create an extrusion from the side. We need to cancel this. We need to create a reference plane, a side plane. So we need to create a reference plane. So this direction. So RAPE doesn't need to be in the center, but it's probably the best application. And okay, so now go create model in place. So let's choose floor. Okay, okay. Set work plan, pick a plan. Okay, reference plan, and then go to either south or north. I'm going to use south. Now because we have these stairs, so we can use create extrusion and pick line. Okay, so let's try to looks like we won't be able to tab select all. That's okay. We can let's just do it. Oh, looks seems we can't because this is actually there's no edge here. It's arc here, so we won't be able to pick that line, but we can draw that. So let's let's just quickly pick all. Excuse me. Let's just quickly pick all these lines. And this one. So actually, I'm probably easier to just copy them than pick them. Oh, don't just be careful. Don't uh, avoid overlapping lines. Okay. So trim and also here. That's it. So now if I finish this, go to 3D view, and then we can just extend both direction. Okay. So then okay, that's it. Then we just need to cut it. So create void. Okay, circle SC to find the center point. And then we just need another profile outside here to cut. And where's my void? Where's my void? It's here. I just need to drag this up, and that's it. So now if I finish this one, so let me just move the. So there's also stairs there. Uh, let me just try to select the stairs. Maybe H. Okay, so now let me just move this stair away. Okay, so I move it here. So HR. So this is it. So extrusion. So very nice thing. And yeah, that's it. So and uh, don't need to worry about the roof. Let's have a look. I think that's it. Yeah, we can create a roof still with, and also if you want to, you can also create. You can also use extrusion. So exactly, actually, so when you do this one, so for example, you can edit in, you can even model in the same extrusion, so extrusion, and then you can just pick this. So for example, I want it to be 200, and then just need to, oops, sorry. Oh, hang on. Let me just copy this down. I want this to be 200. So, and because this one will also share that void, so you just need to make sure the void is high, high enough, and then it will automatically cut that as well. So finish, and then let's move this roof away, and this is it. And um, actually try to avoid have separate elements in one modeling place because um, this might you might have some issue you doing this, especially when you're trying to tag the material or tag the elements. So it's very easy to separate them. Control C, edit in place, edit extrusion, delete, finish, and finish this one, and paste in the same place, edit in place, and then just go edit the extrusion again, delete this, and finish, and finish. Now they are separate elements. Okay, so I think this is it. Um, so the rating will be very, very simple. So I think probably it's a little bit not that simple if you're using extrusion, but if let's just try on this stairs, because if you do it rating, let's try this one, and it will automatically be placed onto stairs. So you will see the style of this, or the type, the style of this rating. Not quite same, but quite. You can just change the setting to match this one. Okay. So I I'll just leave it to you. And that's it. Can we just continue this one? I'm not sure. I'll see. Let's try. Okay. So line. So maybe we can just drag this up. Um, maybe let's just this line so I know where it needs to be where it needs to stop. So we do it and try to pick. It won't work. So I think this will be um issue because I think maybe let's try to stop it in the middle. Yeah, just try to pick this line to the center point. Won't allow me to pick that. So roughly here. Okay, so let's try roughly here. Edit this part, finish. So it works. So maybe we can just um, mirror this. So instead of having one, have, so we can have two. Okay. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you.